In this quick guide, we're going to show you how to set up multi-tier commission structures on PartnerStack. If you're running an affiliate or partner program, this feature can take your earnings to the next level by allowing you to reward both first level and secondary partners in your network. To get started, head over to your PartnerStack account. If you don't have one yet, you can try the software completely free by using the exclusive link below, which gives you some bonuses to help you get started. Now, let's dive into setting up your multi-tier commission structure. PartnerStack makes it easy. First, go to the Programs section of your dashboard. Here, you'll want to either create a new program or choose an existing one where you want to implement multi-tier commissions. Once you're in your program settings, look for the Commissions tab. This is where you can define how much you want to pay out for each tier. The first thing you'll do is set the commission rate for your first tier partners. For example, you can set it at 20% for every sale they generate. The magic of multi-tier commissions comes in when you add a second or even third tier. With PartnerStack, you can reward your partners for bringing in new partners. This is an essential tool if you're looking to build a network of affiliates who keep expanding your reach. To add a second tier, scroll down and toggle on the multi-tier commission option. Then set the commission for the second tier partners. Let's say 10% for each sale made by someone they refer. You can continue adding more tiers if you'd like, each with its own commission percentage. The beauty of PartnerStack is that you have full control over the rates and the number of tiers, so you can scale your program to fit your needs. Once your tiers are set, PartnerStack lets you track all commissions in real time. This means you can see how your multi-tier structure is performing and adjust as necessary. It's great for keeping things transparent, both for you and your partners. As you build your program, remember that the key to success with multi-tier commissions is incentivizing both direct partners and those they bring in. By doing this, you create a ripple effect that expands your network, driving more sales without having to do all the work yourself. Now that you've set up your multi-tier commission structure, you're ready to start recruiting partners, and you can be confident that PartnerStack will handle the details like tracking, payments, and commissions automatically. If you're still figuring out how to make the most of PartnerStack, don't forget that by using the link below, you can get an exclusive extended free trial. This will let you test all these features and more with no commitment. By setting up multi-tier commission structures, you're not just rewarding your partners, but building a scalable affiliate program that grows organically. It's a game changer for anyone serious about digital marketing, and PartnerStack is the platform that makes it all possible. Be sure to check out the exclusive link below for your free trial and start scaling your partner program today.